Shave the treatment area with the razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply a generous layer of gel to the treatment area. Provide goggles for the client. Parameter setting. Select super hair removal. Recommended pulse, 3 ms. Recommended frequency, 3 Hz. Recommended energy, 20 J. Recommended cooling intensity, 5. Utilize a stamping technique to cover the entire area, starting horizontally and then moving vertically. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues. Caution. 1. Follow a healthy daily routine post-operation and balance work with rest. 2. Avoid steam sauna, hot springs, swimming, and sun exposure for the next 7 days. Take one session every 22 to 32 days, complete 6 to 12 sessions in total, and customize the treatment schedule based on the individual's condition. Contraindications. Individuals who are exposed to the blazing sun for quite a long time. People with photosensitive skin and those who are using photosensitizing drugs. Oral isotretinoin users. Pregnant women. Diabetic. People with keloid scars. Potential skin cancer patients.